the kids and I are currently sitting in the car waiting for an appointment to end, which has gotten me thinking that a few months back I made a video about how I plan to keep my kids comfortable while sitting in the car waiting for appointments to end, and how I made a bed in the back. And if you don't remember that video, you can go back and watch it. But I noticed that they weren't really using it, and I think it was because it had all those things in the back seat that we had stored back there while they weren't using it, and they just really did not want to keep moving it. So I did a little revamping on that. So fingers crossed they use it more. But if you want to just stick around, and I will show you how I fixed that issue. Okay, so starting up here, I have some pencils because when my kids are doing their schoolwork in the car, it's always good to just have extra on hand in case for some reason or another the ones that are in their book bags get lost. I've got some portable cleaning wipes in case that is needed for anything. And then right here I have some extra hair ties because sometimes we just never know when we're gonna need them. So it's always good to have some on hand just in case. Okay, so back here I kept their blankets. They will always have those in there in case they are wanting them for one reason or another. And then back here, I had to kind of do a little revamping because the bed that I had made them, which I am still keeping because I still think it's a good idea. My kids weren't really using it as much though, because I think there was just too much stuff back there to have to move up front. So I decided I'm just going to revamp, and I'm going to leave that back spot open so they don't have to worry. And then we have the garbage can here for when we need it, whether it be garbage or car sickness. And then they each will still have their waters in their cups. So this spot here is all of our car stuff, like our first aid kit, the papers we need for it, like when we get things serviced, our car serviced, we have all those papers in there, and holds like our toiletries and things like that when we need it. They have their spare clothes right there in case that's needed. And so I am hoping that the kids will be able to use the back now, because there won't be anything up there or back there to deter them from not going back there. Okay guys, and that is what I did to help fix the issue. So I know we do have a few more long travels and lots of waiting time, lots of appointments. And I just really want them to stay comfortable and relaxed and just be able to enjoy the time they can, or enjoy the time they have in the car the best they can. So, comment down below if you have any other tips, if you think this will help or not, and I will see you guys next time.